Hey everyone, Jaime, Port St. Lucie Mortgage Brokers. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, I wanted to give you, the realtor, the top 5 questions that you need to ask your lender before you get into your car and drive your buyers around and spend your time and money. Here's the top 5 questions. Let's get started. Number 5, will your buyer need or benefit from having seller concessions? Remember, insurance is coming in higher than expected. Sometimes the rates are going up unexpectedly, which may require your buyer to pay points prior to closing. These are things that may not be expected at the beginning, but if they're that close, you may want to negotiate that in the front end versus having your deal fall apart on the back end. Number 4, does your pre-approval work for single-family homes, HOA homes like condos, townhouses, villas? And more importantly, if your buyer falls in love with a manufactured home, does that lender even finance manufactured homes? This is a very important question to ask before you get into that car and drive around. Number 3 is, how long is that pre-approval good for? Generally speaking, the credit reports are good for 90 days. Now, you don't know if that buyer had their credit report pulled 90 days ago or 100 days ago. So maybe you only have 30 days left on that pre-approval. Get with your lender, find out how long it's good for. That way you could plan accordingly and no surprises at the end. The second best question that you could ask your lender that is working with your buyer is, what amount was used to budget taxes, insurance, and HOA fees? Every house is a little bit different. Of course, HOA fees are going to differ from community to community, but you definitely don't want to find a home where the taxes were higher because the previous owner is an investor and now they're having to pay these higher taxes. Maybe the roof is older, higher insurance, and now they don't qualify for this loan because the taxes, insurance, or HOA are higher than what the lender expected it to be. Have the lender give you an amount. Try to stay under that amount. But if you do find a home that is over that amount, then that gives you the opportunity to go back to the lender and have them rerun the numbers to ensure your buyer still qualifies. And the top question that you should ask every lender that you work with is, did they verify the income, assets, and credit? And if they didn't, why not? Sometimes the lender may need the information, but the buyer just does not provide it for whatever reason. This is a great opportunity to go back to the buyer to ensure that they are providing what is needed to that lender to be able to facilitate and to accurately calculate their pre-approval. If you have any questions or would like more tips on things to do before you get out there and spend your hard-earned money, give me a call.